There are no where's.
Hi, baby.
Love you, Sky. Let's go get you some treats. Hey.
Beth? How do I tell him without hurting his feelings that is, oh my god, in fact, tearing my skin away from my body? These are thin leggings. Whoa! Holy shit, brother. Holy fucking shit, dude. I love you. Oh my god.
Quit it. You're driving me nuts.
Don't do that.
Stop it.
Stop.
You.
To put the finishing touches on this match. Roman Reigns. Oh, KO by Orton. Great ball. Wow. He's gonna deliver sweet. Oh, straight on delivery. You gotta be kidding me. How did he do it? Finishing touches on this match.
FEMA on the phone. I think we're going to qualify after this disaster.